Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Sunday. I hope you had a great weekend. Um, for those who do not know me, my name is Ramira, aka Mira the Goddess 22. A little bit about myself: 29 years old, stay at home mom to three wonderful boys, and I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. So today we're actually going over our pairs for the week, and also last week trades as well, and what's been going on. So before I get started and go into my rant about the pairs, what's happening in the news, blah blah blah. I just want to um I want to come to you guys with some reality. That's what's actually on my heart. And I want to share this with anyone who may be going through this, because I went through this. Sometimes I still go through it as well. I mean, it's human nature. But I do definitely want to let you know that with this, I wouldn't even say during the learning process, the trading process, because sometimes in any business that you're going through, you will have to shift your mindset. You have to um, stop focusing on your worries, what is needed, and focus on where you're going and what you see. Um, I in the beginning I used to like, and I think this would really kind of slow down my trading process because even though I was, saying affirmations to myself, I was reading books to enhance my mind, I was listening to, podcasts, but I still had that doubt inside of me. And well, you guys, well, if you've heard my previous videos or whatever, I do suffer from depression. So sometimes my anxiety and worries would take will will actually start my depression, and I will just go into this little spell where it's just like, oh my gosh. And I had to become stronger in my mind to be able to overcome. Now, I will always have depression. Yes, I know that does arise. Like, yes, I know my anxiety does kick in sometimes, but I have to be stronger. And to be stronger, you have to make your mind stronger. So I don't know if that's just like I don't maybe meditating more or praying to whoever you pray to. Um, but you gotta build that mindset. What I can say, what kept me through the process on how to keep my mind from reverting back to, my doubtful, my worries. Maybe I'm not doing this right. Maybe this isn't for me, or you know, maybe this is, just the way that I don't know. God is telling me that I shouldn't do this. When all in reality, He's was really telling me like you should be doing this. It's a reason why you're doing this. This is bigger than who I am. Um, I just want to let you guys know, do not quit in whatever that you're doing. If it's, learning forex, if it's trading forex, if it's trading on the stock market or whatever that you trade, if you're starting a new business venture, if you're just starting a business in the beginning, those starting phases is only a start. It's not the finish. So you can't quit. It may seem hard. It may seem overwhelming. It may seem like you're at the bottom, but you're actually farther than where you started. You've grown more knowledge than what you did before. And sometimes we may feel like failures, or sometimes we may feel like, um, this isn't working for me. Sometimes we need to just step back and see how far we've become. So I ain't gonna go too deep with y'all. That's all I want to say right there. Let y'all marinate on that. Um, but yeah, so let's get into these trades. I want to go over our previous trades before I go over the news and everything. Got some triggered alerts. This is the first time you go opening my charts since last week. So let's get to it. All right, so Euro USD. Uh, I hate when it does this. Um, I don't know why I was looking for a sale, and I could just see it clear as day, and I got the arrows too. But we were actually buying. This is the high. I mean, this is the low, this is the high. This is the low. Here she came back retraced, and here's the high. So she did actually buy. I don't know why I was looking for sales. I guess maybe because of this long bearish move, but I should have been looking at this move right here. That was a bullish move, but she's currently buying. That was actually great opportunities. And then now looking at it, see, sometimes, and that's where I be having my issues at sometimes because I can't see what's happening, but I need, look, I just said, I gotta take a step back and see the big picture. That's so crazy. But this was a bullish around me right here. This is a bullish engulfing. This is a bullish engulfing. I think news happened on Thursday. She pushed off. So that was actually the buy. If we are looking for an entry, maybe you have to go on. We can use this 1 hour time frame actually. Do a fib to see if she retraces to her 50 to 61 percentile, and we can buy her up. Even if you want to do just where the 0% is, it can be able to do that. Let me fix this. Yeah, you can be able to do that. So EU, I do see buys. All right, so EJ, with EJ sales, all together, and maybe I should have calculated this. So we got 121. This was close to actually TP 161 pips, but she actually went to 157 pips. Um, so that was altogether 278 pips if you did take the trade or if you did get out. Now, however, I'm thinking she may buy back up again, but we will definitely see. JPY has been taking over quite a bit. I would want to see what happens when she does reach the 50 to 61 percentile. If she wants to continue to sell down or not. Yeah, let's look. Let's pull this right here. If she does want to continue, I'll wait for the price action confirmation to continue to go down, but also she may go up as well because her overall trend has been bullish. So we'll see there what happens right there. All right, so EA actually has been buying, and I want her to continue to buy. Looks like a perfect inverted head and shoulders that is taking place on a daily time frame. Um, Let me clear up some of that stuff for us. See what's there. Nope. It's another field today. Okay. Um, so with flipping from this low to this high, she quite didn't get us into the 50 percentile. So she may do another drop so we can get a good entry. If she doesn't, then she made the price action confirmation right here with the morning star on it took place is the retracement, and she can continue to go up. We can hit this 4 hour support and resistance, and possibly even here to, I think that's a weekly that I do have. So right now I don't see any opportunities to get in, and that's only because on what is that Thursday? Thursday, she made a nice entry to get in. It's the same retracement. I would want to see her come down, like I've anticipated. I have an alert set, want her to get down, and we can get into. Here we have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I put the over a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's what I will be waiting on the EA buy. Um, it takes place. Wait, hold on. Like I said, she didn't get us that sell entry, but she did get us to that first level of TP that I was looking for, 112 pips in the bag. We missed the initial buy entry that took place last week. Just waiting on the retracement, and then we can get in for the buy again. USD CAD. I know y'all have been talking about USD CAD and how I want her to see her a buy up. She did the complete of the perfect head and shoulders formation. We did get rejection here. So I want to what I am anticipating. I would like for her to still continue to go up, but that may not be the actual case. But I do have, if this is going to continue to go up, we do have a buy stop that is ready. This is the breaker structure, the retest, and we can get in for the buy. I will at least want her to feel this. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. I want her to feel. Looks like this one I have a for a little gap in the area. I will want her to feel that, so we shall see what happens. But I still have my buy set up. But we are in a weird place because when I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, this also could be a head and shoulders as well. So I will want to see the confirmation of what happens. She can easily, it's my error. She can easily follow this. This may be a little rejection here. This is rejection here. So this may be a nice little area where she's getting rejection, where we can be able to anticipate another sell-off. But we shall see. We have our alerts set and ready to see what happens. But overall, I'm gonna be honest, I'm still looking for my buys. I just would like to see confirmation. I don't have the confirmation as of yet. The only thing that I do have is the breaker structure going up. Um, I have a bullish Harami that is here. We could have answered down here and took her up. So now if you haven't got in, or you're waiting to get in, um, we gotta get that entry confirmation. All right. And then USD JPY. I have this set up here. We are currently in profit. She completed that 4 hour void. She got all the way to 210 pips. She's currently sitting at 135 pips. Right now, she did hit this level that I'm looking for. And then there's that TP that I'm looking at. So if we are going to get in for another sale, I would want to see an retracement. Um, I want to see a retracement. What's happening right here, price action entry, and then we can get in for another sell off so we can hit our overall TP that I'm looking for. Yeah. All right, and then we don't talk about NBCs, but yeah, she has been dropping. I have been looking at US 30 for quite some time, been waiting for that sell entry, and she is currently 475 points. That is points, not pips. Currently up. DXY, what you doing? DXY. ESY has been selling. Like I want her to sell. We actually got another, well, two. One right here with these weak entries. Affirmation to continue to sell. Um, this was a great information that happened right here. This is the retracement. She sold off again. Probably expecting her to get down to this 4 hour support and resistance here. We probably won't get the up all the way down here. Um, I don't know why I did that. It's really just like pushing it, to be honest. Uh, yeah. So yeah, that is what I have. DSY still haven't still going on. Now we do have some news in the market. I know I'll go over news first. Um, but shit happens. All right, so Sunday actually already did its due. So tomorrow we are looking for GBP to have some news at 11 a.m. Tuesday, GBP at 2 a.m. NZD and AU at 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. Wednesday, this is where we're going to get our CPI news. We also have some GBP at 4 a.m. 8:30 is our CPI. 10 for our 10 and 11 for our CAD news. Thursday, 2 a.m. GBP, 8:30. We got core PPI that is happening. And unemployment claims on Thursday. There's a bank holiday for NZD, and then there's a French bank holiday on Friday, and 10 a.m. news as well. So it looks like the USD news will start to take place Wednesday through Friday. But we do have the other currencies having news as well. So we probably will get some good entries, or we'll probably get some good setups around that time. So it looks like she may just want to retrace to get until we can get in those good entries that may happen either on Wednesday. All right, so that is all that I do have for you guys. Just wanted to share with you guys what is taking place. Make sure, if you are a newbie, that you are protecting your profits and protecting your accounts as well. So make sure that you're putting your stop loss and take profits. And so those of you who are in advanced traders, um, um, just rock out and just continue to listen to yourself. Oh, before I let you guys go, last week I got onto somebody's call, and he's a 6 to 7 figure trader, and it was on DXY, not DXY, it was on US 30 actually, and he was looking for buys like somewhere around this area. And I'm like, sir, I see sales that's happening. He's like, yeah, that's what the retail traders would look like. And I'm like, oh, what she do? She saw it, and his stop loss was like, I don't know, his stop loss was short as well. So I know he hit stop loss. Um, yeah, yeah. So just listen to yourself. Be confident in yourself. Um, trust your analysis. Trust yourselves, and don't give up in your process. All right, so that is all that I have for you guys. My name is Ramera, aka Mera the Goddess. Make sure that you're following me on all of your social media platforms. MarTheGodess and two number twos. Yes, I know it's only one D because that's what I want it to be. Make sure um, that you're also joining my YouTube. If you can't try to find me on Mirror the Goddess 22, just type in my name, which is Ramira, Ramara. And also that you are joining our Facebook group, The Goddess Trader, where we are communicating more. And that's all that I have for you guys. As you hear in my voice, I sound exhausted. That's because I am exhausted. I've been in the hot sun all day. Yeah, so I am going to relax and try to get some self-care the rest of this Sunday while the kids are asleep. Um, and I will be back with you guys, follow up on what's been happening in the market. I definitely do recommend that you follow the Goddess Trader though, because I'm in there more and I do more live sessions and I call out more as well. We call out trades there as well. All right, so that's all that I have for you guys. See you guys later. Bye.